The 2011 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra-large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, tow hitch, CD changer, power passenger seat, stability control, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, premium sound system, rear defrost. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.